head to that deep freeze Monday and Tuesday. Make sure your pets are in that safety plan as well. And the best way to protect them is to keep them inside.
Provide them extra blankets, get some towels if you have any old towels, give that to them. Also, you want to make sure you're having fresh food and water for them. If you have a heat source, put them next to it. Just bring them indoors.
Yes.
That's the safest way to protect them.
If you do see a pet outside and you can't find the owner, you can call 911 to have an animal control officer come out to help. Additionally, if there are animals who roam your neighborhood, maybe set them up with a warm box with old towels and some food to keep them safe and warm.